ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया, और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की नहर है, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर।
Kabir is my son. He's 2 years 2 months. He was not even 2 when I joined the school, and in such a short span he's already shown so much confidence. The school has done wonders for him. He still isn't talking, but the teachers are working really hard to make him talk, and he's become 3 times more expressive than what he was. He's become more active. He started to use toys more. He's less destructive with the toys now. So all in all, I'm very happy with the school, and the teachers are very good with their tiffins and cleanliness and hygiene. The shoes are supposed to be outside. For winters, they have different shoes so that the kids don't feel cold. Even all the help around is excellent. So overall, I'm very happy with the school, and I hope it does well. There are excellent activities in the school. The theme room is really good. It really helps the child, with the things at home, the household things, the fridge, everything, like small things. They learn how to behave around them. And then the basement, the play area, the ball pool, everything. Every morning my son looks forward to the school. He rushes me from home that come on, let's go to the school. So, and he's really enjoying it. He's happier, he's more confident. He's made a lot of friends, and overall it's been an excellent experience.
My name is Nitina, and I have a 2-year-old son, and his name is Shaurya. He's studying at Bumblebee. He's just enrolled a week back, and the experience so far has been enthralling. Initially he used to be a little resistant going into school, but a week has really transformed him. He's become very happy. Even in the evenings when I dress him up, he really wants to go to school. So far, it's been wonderful. I like the kind of experiential learning that the school gives, the kind of environment inside that they have, the way the teachers are warming up to make the child feel very comfortable, and even the teacher is the parent interaction. It's been completely excellent. So far, being relatively new, it's been a very nice experience. around. When we entered this place, Ananya just chose it on her own because of the warmth, the bright colors, the environment, the ambience here. There was no turning back after that. She's changed, she's transformed herself from a coy girl to a very confident little girl now who's wanting to express herself all the time. And this is all thanks to the teachers here who are paying more and more attention, giving her all that she needs, maybe much more. And my experience here has been really exciting and really enchanting to see my daughter grow up into the kind of person she is now. I am seeing the kind of values that I wanted in my daughter being imbibed in her in everyday school, and I'm very happy with the whole curriculum here. There's another thing I'd like to add here, that people had been telling me that my daughter's too young to come to a school. She's just 1.5 and I shouldn't be sending her, I shouldn't be weaning her away from me. Bumblebees has proved it all wrong.
Hi, I'm Madhulika and I'm Yosha's mother. The very fact I'm here is because my daughter and me, we both are very happy with Bumblebees. Bumblebees is a place which is very simple, down to earth, where a child, can connect to easily. The principal, the teachers, the management is very child friendly, has a very child friendly approach. The total layout, the design, the concept is very child friendly, where child actually picks knowledge, immediately. My daughter was very shy initially, but now she has emerged to be very confident, something like in teacher's word, a leader. Initially when I came, I was not sure about whether I should put Yosha into a play school at all or not. But when I came to Bumblebees, I was convinced, yes, this is the right place where my daughter actually can, have a journey of a little girl who can, of her initial education, rather starting initial education. The parent-teacher interaction, everything is very worthwhile, where you can connect easily to. So I congratulate Bumblebee and I'm very happy with Bumblebee and wish them best of luck.